Okay, Fáilte, Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Just a quick reminder of what we're doing. This is all about speaking Irish, no reading, no writing, practically no grammar. We're doing a lot of repetition, and it's specifically to counter the fact that while you can find loads of great Irish stuff online for free, if you find this, you can find the other stuff, no problem. Many learners find they need something to help activate the speech systems, get stuff coming out of their mouths. So it's really, really important that as you're watching the video, you can't be doing the ironing, you can't be washing the dishes, don't be driving, right? You've got to focus on the video, pause it. You've got to stop the video when I ask you a question. Try to answer, try to say something Irish, and you have to say it out loud. That's the system, that's how it works. Then you can start the video again and hear the way I say it and compare and contrast, okay? If you get it wrong, don't worry about it, just move on. Copy how to say it right, but work forward from there. There's no shame here. We're focusing a lot on getting drink. In the first lesson, we're going to do a little bit more of that today, but first, just remind me, how would you say I would like? Yeah, Bhfuil say I would like a cup of coffee. Bhfuil cup and coffee. I'd like a wee cup of tea. Bhfuil cup and bug tea. Ain't it? Fantastic. I'd like a big pint of Guinness. Bhfuil pinte more Guinness. I'd like a glass of whiskey. Bhfuil glynne ishke ba. Fantastic. Now, here's a wee thing you're going to come up against a lot in Irish, so we might as well start now. Very often, words change a bit at the start. So the starts of words change their sound a wee bit, okay? There's reasons for that, we're not going to worry about them. But, so bug and more, wee and big, will change to sometimes the vug or war. And one of the reasons is if the word glynne is there. If you want to look it up, it's because glynne is feminine. You can look up how gender works with adjectives in Irish. But so, if you want to say a small glass, it's glynne vug. Just say it, glynne vug. How would you say, I would like a small glass of water? Bhfuil glynne vug ishke. How'd you say, I'd like a big glass of whiskey? Bhfuil glynne war ishke ba. I'd like a big pint of Guinness. Bhfuil pinte more Guinness. I'd like a big glass of Guinness. Bhfuil glynne war Guinness. Sorry, I had to think about that for a second myself. Instead of, we are going to get on the food later on, but instead of always demanding stuff that you'd like, what if maybe you want to answer or you want to offer someone else something? So that's easy. And it's similar to bhfuil, but you're going to change the b to and the lyum to liat. So it becomes bhfuiliat. Just repeat that, bhfuiliat. So that means would you like, and do you want to say would you like a cup of tea? Bhfuiliat cup and tea. Ain't it my? Very good, well done. How would you say would you like a big pint of Guinness? Bhfuiliat pinte more Guinness. What about would you like a wee glass of whiskey? Ar bhaile glynne bhag isce ba. Well done. Now, if you're offering someone something, or maybe you're being offered something, you need to know an answer. Simple yes or no. And there's a problem. We don't really have a yes or a no in simple terms in Irish. So what you're going to do is you're going to refer back to saying, I would like. Would you like something? I would. That's the way it works. Would you like a wee cup of tea? I would. First of all, what was the question? Would you like a wee cup of tea? Or bhailiat cupan bug tea? Go my. Good. How would you say then? I would. It's just. But why? But why? Or bhailiat cupan tea? But why? How would you say, would you like a big glass of whiskey? Or bhailiat glynne mhór isce ba? I would. But why? Well done. What about would you like a wee cup of coffee? Or bhailiat cupan bug coffee? Say, I would. But why? But now, what if you don't want the thing? Okay, that's easy too. You're going to, instead of but why, you're going to say near why. Near why. Just repeat that. Near why. Now, say, would you like a wee glass of water? Or bhailiat glynne bhag isce? I would not. Near why. Near why. Good. Say, but I would like a big pint of Guinness. Ach bhailiam pinte mór Guinness. Ask, would you like a wee cup of tea? Or bhailiat cupan bug tea? I wouldn't. Near why. But I'd like a big glass of whiskey. Ach bhailiam glynne mhór isce ba. Can you remember how to say with milk? Le boigne, le boigne. Can you ask, would you like milk? Or bhailiat boigne? Can you remember how to say sugar? Sucre. And then say, would you like sugar? Or bhailiat sucre? Good stuff. Ask, would you like a cup of tea with milk? Or bhailiat cupan tea le boigne? I wouldn't. Near why. But I would like a cup of coffee with sugar. Ach bhailiam cupan coffee le sucre? Please. Le dahal. Now we're going to get some food. Burger is burger. Did you get that? It's a hard one. I'd like a burger. Bhailiam burger. So moving quickly on, because I don't think that's much of a challenge, we're going to get chips with that. Scalagee. Scalagee. Okay? So can you say a burger with chips? Burger le scalagee. Burger le scalagee. Now, can you say, I would like a big burger, please? Bhailiam burger mór le dahal. How would you ask for a burger with chips? Say, I would like a burger with chips. Bhailiam burger le scalagee. What about offering someone else? Would you like a burger? Or bhailiat burger? And now ask, would you like chips? Or Fáilte scaligi. Now, if you want to say I would, go on, how'd you say it? But why? And let's think. Toast is aran rosta, literally roasted bread, okay? Aran rosta. So ask someone, would you like toast? Or Fáilte aran rosta? I wouldn't. Near why. But I would like a big burger. Ach, but why yum burger more? With chips. Liscaligi. Do you remember how to say and? Yeah, agus. So, would you like toast and a wee cup of tea? Or Fáilte aran rosta agus cup and bug tea? I wouldn't. Near why. But I would like a big burger. Ach, bhfuilm burger more and a pint of Guinness. Agus pint of Guinness. Guys, we're going to leave it there for today. These really only work if you're doing them in order, so if I can figure out how to do the technology, I'll get links put up to the next one, sort of up here somewhere. My shiv. Well done, folks. Slan.